I've been thinking about having this procedure done really for at least probably 8 years, but I was just kind of waiting. And I really wasn't sure who to go to. I had a friend who worked for Dr. Raj, and she was having a consult done, and he had openings. So I thought, I'm not super busy today. I popped over, and instantly I felt like super comfortable with him. It was like the little push I needed. I didn't feel rushed. The consult was really thought out, lots of time put into it. A lot of doctors are super quick, and you feel more like a number than an actual person. And he came up with ideas that I hadn't even thought about. And I really just let him kind of do what he needed to do, which was good. But I felt confident that he could do that and make me look super good.
I'm Dr. Raj, founder of Dr. Raj Plastic Surgery, and I'm a plastic surgeon based in Dallas, Texas. So with all my patients, including Whitney, an important part of plastic surgery is not just the surgery itself and the results, but it's really making all the patients feel comfortable, confident about the surgeons they're choosing and what they're about to undergo. It is a big decision for a lot of patients because it's the first time that they're actually considering something like this. In Whitney's case, she's had a breast surgery before, but a tummy or abdominal surgery is completely new to her. So I really had to explain to her how the whole process works, what I can do surgically, and then what she needs to do in terms of the recovery to get the best possible results.
During the process, I felt very supported. Dr. Raj himself was reaching out along with his whole team. They set me up with everything. I didn't have to wait months. I was able to book the surgery, get my pre-op in, and get the ball rolling on everything. Leading up to the surgery, I had many things going through my head. I was really excited. I've waited so long. I'm ready to have the body that I've been kind of dreaming of for a long time. Also, I, of course, was nervous about anesthesia, the recovery, just my whole home life as well. But really, I was more excited. Just ready to get it done. Good morning, it's surgery day. I look all fresh, no makeup. I'll braid my hair back in a second. And then just an outfit check. I got my zip up jacket, some huge pants on, and slide shoes, and I'm ready to go.
So when Whitney came to me on her journey, she had a very interesting set of things that she wanted to address. Number one, which is very common in women her age, she's had breast augmentation before, but wanted a revision. And I do a lot of revisions, and different patients have different goals, and it's a completely different ball game than just breast augmentation. The second thing, so she's had a few pregnancies and which have created some permanent changes that she's been unable to change with diet and exercise. But she's a very unique and interesting case. If you think about it, a lot of patients are candidates for the traditional abdominoplasty or tummy tuck. She actually presented with a different set of issues that bothered her. The biggest thing being a little bit of loose skin, and she just felt like she didn't have much definition, even though that she really worked hard at it. So what we had discussed was a very unique procedure, which is called a hybrid tummy tuck or abdominoplasty, where I do tighten the muscle and remove a little bit of skin, but I don't do all the steps that I do in a normal tummy tuck. The second thing is she did desire more definition through liposuction, so I used Hi-Def or liposculpting techniques to show some of her abdominal musculature and definition along with doing the tummy tuck. So both together really create a look as though that she's been working out, looks very defined, and it's a very unique and new cutting edge procedure.
Honestly, I don't even remember what I put on, but I put on some outfit. And I thought, oh my gosh, my waist hasn't been this small. I don't even know in how long, since I was maybe in high school. So that part was amazing. And then the breast augmentation just kind of filled the skin in a little bit more. So really just kind of restoring my youth. I let him add on a little bit of lipo, which truly made a huge difference. Even I've had people ask me if I had a mini BBL just because of the way he sculpted with the lipo, which is a nice little extra touch.
So overall, I feel Whitney looks wonderful. She looks amazing. When I first did the procedure, we took some on-table photos, which were very dramatic, and she was thrilled with the results. As time has gone on, she's been following all the instructions, with the garments and the massages and coming to all of her appointments. She did everything she could outside of surgery. Now with surgery, I've been able to enhance what's there and give her the body that she deserves and what she loves.